What's up, everybody? It's your girl Kathy, aka Coco, and you're watching another episode of Coco's Creation. On today's episode, we're going to do a quick, fast, and easy design on this candlestick, which is a set of two, which I've already done the first one off camera, so I decided to do this one on camera. And before I get into that, I would like you to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your notification button so you'll be notified every time I do anything on this channel. And also follow me on all social media. Will be down in the description or in the end of the video. So let's get to this video. kind of had to finish it off camera because my glue wasn't sticking how I wanted to do. But all in all, it turned out okay. I think I like it, even though it's not all the way done. But I can finish it after I turn off the camera. But tell me how you like it, and before you do that, I would like for you to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you'll be notified whenever I do anything and everything on this channel. And also follow me on all social medias that will be down in the description box and at the end of this video. And with that being said, thank you for watching this episode of Coco's Creation. See you next time. Peace.